1941. Working in manufacturing has never been new, but with World War II, the working woman became a force, an American icon. But today, the role of women in the workforce has evolved. The American economic recovery has begun due largely to our company's commitment to a more diverse and educated workforce. Recognizing our women leaders brought us together this evening. Our future depends on telling their stories and raising our voices together.
You know, there's a lot of reasons not to act when you're forging new ground, and it truly takes courage to step up and act. And I think about the role of education in this country and where you think about innovation to communities, to individuals, and by large to the country. It matters. Manufacturing means jobs.
The people you see in manufacturing today, these are skilled professionals. These are people who've really worked very hard in perfecting a craft to deliver the highest quality product possible for the end user. And I think we need to represent manufacturing in that reality today.
To be a great nation, you must have a solid foundation of manufacturing base. And we have to make decisions locally and nationally that support that support business growth, that support companies headquartering here, that support, granting of large contracts and have to make strong considerations there, because it is a totally different world that we're dealing with now than it was, even 30 or 40 years ago.
The thinking of the past might be manufacturing will be my backup. I'll be able to do that if other things don't work out for me. And I think now with the advancement and when you think about engineering and science and math and the competitiveness around it, I think it's really important to identify early on that these are the types of skills that are really the foundation for manufacturing, and that's what we're going to be looking for to continue to evolve and grow our economy.
Certainly women today are underrepresented in manufacturing, certainly as you move up through the leadership ranks. And there's definitely a recognition that getting more diversity of thought, different viewpoints, different life experiences into industry and into manufacturing is beneficial.
So what I like most about my job is that at the end of the day, you know that you've made a difference in somebody's life, because our whole purpose is to develop our team members that work here. And we want them to feel that they have a purpose and that they can improve their processes in order to make a better vehicle and in a better environment for them to come to work every day.
There's so many people at this company that are great mentors and great people to watch and to just kind of see how their career has grown, to try to understand where I can take mine.
A good company and a company with a strong leadership team has a diverse set of people that they bring to the table so that you can have divergent ideas, different set of perspectives, different set of experiences, that you fight it out, you argue it out, you have a robust discussion, and then you come up with the best answer at the end of the day.
Donnelly Skaggs, the one that nominated me for the award, I've been able to watch her and see how she's had success through the company as a woman in manufacturing.
In many industry sectors, women have definitely broken the glass ceiling. That's not to say that we don't have a lot of challenges on a daily basis while we're working in manufacturing, but I know the space that Ace Clearwater operates in. Currently, we have 3 female CEOs that are running large OEMs. Lockheed has its first female CEO, BAE Systems is run by a female, and General Dynamics has a female CEO as well. These women inspire me, and I hope that I can take that and inspire the next generation of women.
And if you like technology and innovation, then manufacturing is the place to be. It's just, it's really where it's all happening. So, do what you love and the success will follow.
Women are such a large part of our working population, and they're going to continue to grow, that I think that if we can create a really exciting image, that we can engage more women to enter our industry. And they have to understand that the sky is the limit.
The Manufacturing Institute, the Society of Manufacturing Engineers, University of Phoenix, and Deloitte are proud to be a part of the inaugural STEP Awards to honor women who have demonstrated excellence and leadership in their careers and represent all levels of the manufacturing industry. The STEP Awards are part of the larger Step Ahead initiative launched to examine and promote the role of women in the manufacturing industry through recognition, research, and best practices for attracting, advancing, and retaining strong female talent.
What excites me about STEP and the approach that we're taking is that we're really tapping into partnerships in many areas of the economy. So higher education and the role that the University of Phoenix, for example, is playing along this journey.
And what STEP has given us an opportunity to do is take a step ahead, to be on the front end of celebrating what we do in this country and what we've made in this country, and the contributions of these individuals to our nation.
STEP is not something that's going to be gone next year. This, to me, represents the future. I'm seeing this as being the beginning of something big, long-term, and sustainable. And I think we can make a really, really significant difference for manufacturing.
The STEP initiative, as we step ahead for our future, means the same thing to our colleagues and peers that are in manufacturing as it does to the next generation. Because what we know about the next generation, the 15-year-old that's in 9th, 10th grade today thinking about their future, is they want to make a difference in this world. And what I fundamentally believe is that manufacturing will solve the global challenges we have. Manufacturing will be the solution to a lot of the problems. And to those young women today that are thinking about how they make a difference in manufacturing.